Hi everyone, myself Dikshit B. I am currently studying Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Department of ISC. Now we discuss about the topic of explanation of various ways to run Python programs, including the using interactive shell, writing scripts, and executing scripts from the command line. Introduction: Execution. Running a Python program allows you to execute the code and see the desired output or result. Testing and debugging. Running Python programs allows you to test and validate your code. Automation. Python is widely used for automating repetitive tasks for performing complex operations. Prototyping and development. Python is a popular language for all prototyping and developing applications due to its simplicity and readability. Problem solving. Python is often used as a tool for problem solving and algorithmic thinking, data analysis, and scientific computing. Python provides a powerful libraries like matplotlib, pandas, which are executively used in data analysis and scientific explanation of various ways to run Python programs. Use a code presentation tool. Tools are Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab allow you to create interactive code presentations. Embedded Python in PowerPoint using VBA macros. If you are using Microsoft PowerPoint, you can embed Python code directly into your slides using VBA, means Visual Basic for applications. Macros. Convert Python code into a visuals. If you want to showcase the output or result of your Python program, you can convert them into a visuals such as images, graphs, and charts. Record and embed screencast. If your Python program involves a graphical user interface or requires user interaction, you can record a screencast of program execution and then embed the video into Power Presentation. Use live coding or demonstration. Another option is to live code or demonstrate your Python program during presentation. Integration. Python can easily integrate with other programming languages. There are multiple ways to run Python programs and the choice depends on specific needs and requirements. Here are some command methods. Command line. The simplest way to run a Python program is through the command line interface. Integrated development environments. IDEs such as PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Spider provide a comprehensive environment for writing and running debugging Python programs. Text editors. Simple text editors like Sublime Text, Atom, or Notepad++ can also be used to write and run Python programs. Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebook is popular web-based interactive environment widely used for data analysis, visualization, and scientific computing. Online Python interpreters. Several online platforms provide Python interpreters, allow you to write and run Python code without installing any lo- locally. Compiled executables. Python programs can be compiled into a standalone execute using tools like PyInstaller or CXFreeze. Interactive shell. An interactive shell refers to a command line interface program that allows users to interact with the computer's operating system through text-based commands. It provides a direct means of communication between the user and the underlying operating system or shell environment. Purpose of interactive shell. The primary purpose of an interactive shell is to provide a user-friendly and efficient way for users to execute commands and perform a various tasks on computer system. It allows users to enter commands, view their output and receive the response of feedback in a real time. By using an interactive shell, users can execute commands and programs, manipulate files, directories, and access the various system of resources. Overall, the interactive shell acts as a bridge between the users and the underlying operation system, providing a powerful and flexible means of interacting with the computer system through command-based interactions. Benefits of using interactive shell: efficiency, flex- flexible and control, scripting and automation, remote access, portability, learning and skill development. Overall, the benefits of using an interactive shell revolve around efficiency, control automation, flexibility, and the ability to work the remote system. It provides a powerful, versatile interface for experienced users, allow them to perform a wide range of tasks efficiently and with the flexible graded control that can be executed is standalone program. Python scripts are typically saved with a py extension and can be run by in invoking the Python interpreter with the script file as argument. The concept of writing Python scripts allows you to create a programs that can be executed repeatedly and easily shared with the others rather than typing coding into an interactive shell or a code editor and executing it line by scripts enable you to write a series of instructions that can be executed in a single example of writing script. Now let's see an example of a simple Python script that calculates the area of the rectangle. Hash simple Python script to calculate the area of rectangle. Input the length and width of the rectangle. Length equals to float. Input, enter the length of the rectangle. Width equals to float. Input, enter the width of the rectangle. Calculate the area of the rectangle. Area equals to length into width. This display the result. Print the area of the rectangle is area. In this script, we prompt the user to enter the length and width of the rectangle. We calculate the area by multiplying the length and width, and finally we print the result. The script can be saved in file called rectangle area file and executed from the command line or integrated development environment by running Python program Python rectangle area. Executing scripts from the command line. To execute a Python script from a command line, you need to follow these general steps. Open the terminal or command prompt on your computer or system. On Windows, press Win plus or type CMD and press enter. On Mac OS, open the terminal application. navigate to directory when the Python script is located. Use the cd command line command followed by a directory path to change the current working directory. For example, if your script is located in the scripts folder on your desktop, navigate to it by typing cd desktop scripts. Verify that you are in the correct directory by using the directory command or command to list the files and ensure that your Python script is present. Execute the Python script. In the terminal, run the Python interpreter by typing Python or Python 3 depending on your system. Then provide the script's file name as an argument. For example, if your script is named as myscript.py, execute it by python myscript.py. If you have a multiple versions of Python installed, you may need to specify the Python versions like Python 3 myscript.py. Summary: in the presentation, we discuss about the several different ways to run Python programs. It's important to note that the choice of method depends on the specific requirements, prefer, preferences, and the context in which you are working. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.